You ever heard of a neutral density filter? So basically, it's what's gonna make this harsh light that's in front of me. People say harsh, why? Can you see how you can see the gimbal right there in my face? It's making a shadow. I know it's freaking windy. I know it's loud, but I'm gonna show you something. And here I have what's called neutral density filters. I'm gonna use it on this. I'm gonna use it on the camera. And I'm gonna show you two different things. Basically, how you can turn and make the sun, which looks like a blob or a glob right now. Hold on, I'm pulling out my filters right now. Lord have mercy, it's so cold. Hold on. So basically, how you could take the sun from looking like a blob to, oh wait, there we go. Still kind of looks like a blob. It is the sun, but basically you can now make the sun look like that. Or now you can make out the sun. And a neutral density filter, which I still have on here, is what's used to do that. It basically is sunglasses for your camera. So if you're serious about photography, videography, I suggest that you invest in one or a couple. That strength I was using is 256. I have a 256, 128, and 256, 128, a 64, and a 32. They're all multiples of eights. So an eighth a stop of light, which technically is almost like one stop of light or two stops, depending on the math. But nevertheless, what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to put an ND filter on this camera, and I'm going to show the video before the ND filter and then after. Then I'll come back and we'll close this off. This here is my neutral density filter for my camera. It is a 82 millimeter, and the reason it's 82 millimeter, I'll show you why. Well, if I can. I can't. So the thread on the camera, the lens, it shows 82 mm. So all you do is buy a filter that matches the thread. So it says 82 mm. Let me take this off of facial recognition. Boom. All right, that's done. And so basically, if you can see there, it says 82, that little 82 with the symbol next to it. It's 82. So that lets you know your thread. If you can see it, I don't know, but it said 82. All right. So now let me place this on the camera, and I'm gonna show you the same video now with the filter on there. Now the filter, I'm sorry if I'm talking crazy, it's cold. The last video was at 200 ISO. Let me double check myself. Yes, it was at 200 ISO and f22 pointed directly at the sun. This one's I'm gonna adjust it. I might keep it at f22 so you can see exactly what the sun looks like when you can't really see it with just your eyes or with the camera without the ND filter. Let me show you. Hold on, let me put this on and then I'll show you the next video. So if you saw there, you literally could almost make the sun disappear. Not disappear, but you can always make the rays around the sun disappear with a neutral density filter. The trick is, obviously, to have your shutter speed where you want it, but then you can stop down your f-stops to make it as least amount of light as possible, and then move your neutral density filter. So neutral density filters have a measurement from 2 to 400. Well, this one has a measurement from 2 to 400. So it's a variable ND filter, meaning variable, meaning it has numbers that it can go up and down. All right, you can make it lighter or darker. If you saw the video at the beginning, it was lighter, then it was darker. So basically meaning I moved it from 2 down to 400 in order to show that you can basically make the sun look like a pea in the sky. And I'm gonna take some pictures, put them at the end of this video, and they're gonna be for sale in my shop. Click the link in my bio.